Hello everyone and welcome back. If Buffer isn't working properly on your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer not working in 2026. Whether the website won't load, features are missing, pages keep freezing, or Buffer isn't responding, follow these simple steps to solve the problem. First, open your web browser and visit the official Buffer website. If the page doesn't load correctly, refresh it using the Reload button or press Ctrl plus F5 to perform a hard refresh. This forces the browser to load the latest version of the website. Next, check your internet connection. Buffer requires a stable internet connection to work properly. Open another website to make sure your internet is working. If necessary, restart your router and reconnect to the network. Now, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can prevent Buffer from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely and open it again before visiting Buffer. If Buffer still isn't working, try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Sometimes browser-specific issues can affect how the website functions. You should also disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or VPN extensions temporarily. Some extensions may interfere with Buffer's features and stop the website from working correctly. Another useful step is signing out of your Buffer account and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and can fix temporary account-related problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, turn it off and try again. Certain network configurations may prevent Buffer from connecting properly. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browser versions may not support the newest features or security requirements used by Buffer. If specific features such as scheduling or publishing are not working, check whether Buffer is experiencing a temporary service outage. If the service is down, you'll need to wait until it's restored. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Buffer support. Provide details about your browser, operating system, the exact issue you're facing, and any error messages you see. This will help the support team identify and resolve the problem faster. That's how you can fix Buffer not working in 2026.